In this quick demo, we're showing the basic workflows of the inventory management module. Click Add New Record to begin. Choose your vendor from the drop-down. If this order is tied to a specific project, you can link it here, otherwise, it'll go to your general inventory. The fields for ship to and bill to pull from your contact list. If you need someone outside the system to approve the order, it's no problem. INSTANTGMP lets you send a signature request via email, so they don't need to log in. Next, click Add Material Requisition to add your first item. Click the Update arrow to select your material. If the material has preset info like a vendor part number, catalog number, unit factor, or cost, it'll auto-fill. Now just plug in the quantity and unit. Once you're done, sign and confirm the requisition. You'll land on the summary screen, where you'll see all the materials you've ordered. There's also a box for the approver to sign off. Click the print icon to show a PDF of a purchase order. You can print it or send it by email directly to purchasing or your vendor. And that's it, you've just created and submitted your material order. Next, we'll walk through the process of receiving materials into inventory using the pending receipt screen and updating the status in inventory management. This procedure is critical for maintaining compliance in GMP operations and ensuring full traceability of your raw materials. From the main menu, navigate to the pending receipt screen. Locate the requisition tied to your delivery and click the edit icon to begin. You're now on the material receipt form. Enter the quantity of material received and the unit and then enter the vendor lot number. You can add a retest date or an expiration date provided by the supplier. At this stage, you can also attach any supporting documentation such as a certificate of analysis. This will ensure full documentation of the transaction. When the pending receipt is completed, you can print a label for the material. The status will automatically be quarantine. The material is now officially recorded and moves from the pending receipt screen to the inventory management system, where it becomes part of your traceable inventory. Now we'll take a look at how to use materials and change their status within the inventory management module. Start by navigating to the inventory screen and locating the material you want to sample. Click the receipt number hyperlink. This opens the material's general screen. Here, you'll see all relevant data, the material name, vendor lot number, quantity received, quantity remaining and any updated dates. To record the use of a material, click the Use Material button. Enter the sample quantity and unit and indicate the purpose, such as QC testing if needed. Once complete, sign and confirm to save the record. The system now logs the material usage, and the history reflects the activity. The overall inventory quantity is adjusted automatically, so your records remain accurate in real time. When you go to the Files tab, you can upload any documents, PDFs or images that are associated with this material receipt. For example, you can add a certificate of analysis. This file becomes a permanent part of the record for this specific receipt. Now it's time to change the status of the material. A user has to have the role of quality manager to change a status. They can go back to the same material entry and click Change Status. Here they can select the appropriate new status from the drop-down menu, such as released, rejected, or on hold, based on your SOPs and test outcomes. They can enter a reason for the change and then click Confirm to apply the update. Just like that, the status is updated and visible to all authorized users. The full status change history is recorded and traceable, supporting complete GMP compliance. With these tools, your team gains complete visibility, streamlined control, and built-in GMP compliance, ensuring every material movement is traceable, every record is audit-ready, and every process is one step closer to effortless efficiency. Thanks for watching. and thank you for choosing INSTANTGMP to power your inventory management.